Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to lock objects in your designs. There will be times when you're going to have elements or text in your designs that you don't want your customers to have control or access to changing. To get started, click on the object and select Lock Options from the toolbar. From here, you'll see Lock Options to choose from. The options will vary depending on what object is selected. Use the Lock Selection option if you want to completely lock the object where the customer won't be able to interact with it at all, meaning they won't be able to resize, move, delete the object, or edit the text within a text box. You'll notice the object had an outline of blue dashes around it when you selected it, and after it was locked, the dashes turned gray. You're still able to move that object around while designing until you click off of it. If you want to unlock it, you can go into the Layers panel and select the object, which will give you a toolbar with the lock options. Use the Lock Movement option if you don't want the customer to move it, but you want them to be able to interact with it, meaning they will be able to change the font color, SVG color, and edit the text within the text box. If you don't want them to edit the color of the text or SVG, you can choose Lock Color from the lock options. Choose Lock Text Editing if you don't want them to edit the text. In addition, Lock Font will prevent the customer from changing the font style within the text box. You can even choose Lock Font Size to make sure the customer can't change the size of the font within the text box. If you have any questions, you can watch help videos or reach out to support by going to help.template.com or by clicking the help link in the top right corner.